Hence why somebody stops, then reason with it very quickly, and you'll come to your own conclusion that perhaps you could be thinking of doing a U-turn at the roundabout. Yeah.
We did 7 last time, 8 today.
Okay.
Because I mix them with Bianca, so sometimes I'm just
Yeah.
thinking that I've done it with her.
And turn left at the roundabout first exit. Do you know when you come onto the roundabout there, could you have stopped if you made the wrong decision? No, I'm asking you, it's a question. So do you know when you turned left at the roundabout, when you looked at that car, at the point you went, could you have stopped if that decision was wrong that you made? That's fine. I'm not arguing. You're correct in what you did. I'm just saying whatever speed you do it at, make sure you can stop, and that's perfectly fine. So the way you're looking at that car, the way you understand, perfectly fine. Just in case you get it wrong, make sure you can stop. So whatever speed you're going at, make sure you can stop. Please, second exit. That was smart, well done, that was nice. That's better than what I do. Well done. just lay my cards on the table there, well done. That really nice. Can you see the red car at the end of the road?
Yeah.
I'm looking up there while I'm looking at the road. And that's me being proactive And looking at the roundabout is being proactive from here. Once you go past the black car, you're then being reactive at the roundabout. So you want to be assessing from here and continuously assessing from here. Look at the little sign. You can see the end of the roundabout. Anyone approaching the round circle from here. This is you being proactive. If it's safe, don't stop. I think keep in control and take the second exit. And that's how Uncle Ayub does it. Well done. Perfect. Well done. That's really good. And that's you being proactive at the roundabout, assessing on approach rather than waiting, looking and thinking it's safe and then the situation changing. We're turning right and then we're then turning left. So right, then immediate left. And go, yeah. And if you can forward bay park after the white coloured car on the left, after the blue one as well. So we're going to forward park here. Driving fine, no issues at all. Just a little bit with roundabouts when you were approaching the roundabout. I'm trying to get you to avoid stopping now. So I don't want you flying onto the roundabout, but make sure you're in control like you were, and make sure you're continuously making like what we call forward observation. So you're looking, you're making sure it's safe as you're approaching. If the situation changes, you could have stopped at that speed, even literally at the line. And that's the only thing I want you to understand now. So when you're coming onto a roundabout, make sure whatever speed you decide you're driving at, whether it's 1 mile an hour, 5, 10, 15, make sure that speed you can stop at the start of the roundabout, just in case you get it wrong. You won't get it wrong, you know, but you're a human being, you might. Sometimes we get it wrong, or sometimes the situation changes very quickly and there could be an emergency vehicle. And that way you need to make sure you're stopping where you think it's safe to stop. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Other than that, I think you did pretty well. I think there was no issues over there. I think what you should be doing now is looking forward to your driving test. Just get it over and done with. You're doing a mock, you're not mock test, you're doing a test route with her now, aren't you? What route number are you doing together?
It's 8.
Route number 8.
Yeah.
Okay, let me swap places. And then you can carry on and do it again.